When you look at your life and wonder why certain patterns keep repeating, the conscious mind rushes to explain, to rationalize, to defend. Yet, the subconscious mind never needed logic to begin with. It operates in loops, cycles, imprints, stored not as reason, but as sensation. To transform them, we must enter the language of the body, the codes of emotions, and the fields of memory that exist beneath words. In neuroscience, we know that the limbic system encodes emotional memory with an intensity that logic cannot override. You may know the truth in your conscious mind, but the body reacts as if the past is still happening. That is why people freeze when opportunity arrives, why love feels unsafe even when desired, why abundance seems distant even in the presence of effort. Logic cannot dissolve a loop that was never built with logic. In ancient traditions, this truth was expressed differently. Energy was said to pull into meridians, to stagnate in the organs, to lock in the chakras. Grief was said to weigh in the lungs, fear to reside in the kidneys, anger to coil in the liver. The language varies, yet the recognition is the same. Impressions live in the body until they are integrated and released. You cannot think your way into freedom, you must embody it. So, here is the paradox. The subconscious is precise, patterned, exact. But it listens not to the argument, but to the sensation, imagery, metaphor, and state. This is why change arrives suddenly in a trance, why a single symbolic gesture can undo years of inner bondage, why stillness can liberate what the thousands of words could not. The subconscious does not obey the laws of debate. It responds to experience. As you listen now, allow yourself to soften into this recognition. You do not need to figure it. As you listen now, allow yourself to soften into this recognition. You do not need to figure it all out. You do not need to wrestle with the why. What matters is state. State reorganizes memory. State reorganizes possibility. When the nervous system enters safety, new networks wire. When the heart moves into coherence, signals reach the brain in harmony. When the body exhales deeply enough, the subconscious registers. It is safe to update this story. And so in this session, we'll not attempt to reason with the subconscious. We will speak its language. We will work with images, with metaphors, with breath, with sensations. We will create a mismatch between the old program and the new state, and in that mismatch lies the power of transformation. This is what neuroscience calls memory reconsolidation and mystics have called awakening. Take a deep breath now, slow and steady. Imagine you are stepping into a chamber of peace, a place where logic is not relevant, and the energy speaks first. With each inhale, the mind quiets. With each exhale, the old charge is becoming loose. You are entering the field where patterns dissolve and life reorganizes.